Well, today I wanted to show you guys how I make my pork ribs. These are moist, they fall off the bone, and they are absolutely delicious. With this method of cooking pork ribs, the flavours are incredible, the meat falls off the bone, and it cuts your cooking time in half. So I'll quickly run you through how I make my dry rub and how I make my basting sauce. And I'll also leave the recipe in the description below. Let's get cooking. Alright, we're going to fly through this quickly and get another batch of sauce going. Now in with our onion and garlic. Add your salt. Pepper, add our ground cumin seeds, cayenne pepper, Chinese 5-spice, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of Natvia, a tin of tomato, my old friend, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, this stuff, Sriracha, light soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, liquid smoke, brown vinegar, and add just a little bit of mustard. I want this to be a bit more tangier, so I've added more apple cider vinegar and more brown vinegar. And that's it. Sauce is done. Crack her open. Now we'll blitz it up quickly. Well, there you go. That sauce took 10 minutes to make. Alright, I'll let you guys in on a little tip. Don't thoroughly clean all the sauce out, just add 1 cup of water back into there, and we'll use this to cook the pork ribs in. Alright, now I'll quickly run you through what ingredients we need for the dry rub. Half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, roughly. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 3/4 of a tablespoon of Natvia, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika. Salt, pepper. That's it. That's your dry rub. Now add a trivet into the bottom of your pressure cooker. That'll keep the meat off the bottom. Now just make sure to remove this membrane on the back of your ribs. Now we're going to add the pork into the pressure cooker. Alright, the lid goes back on. 20 minutes on high will do. Alright, the pork is done. Just release the pressure and open this thing up. So what I do now is just add a bit of this sauce on top of these ribs. Now I'm going to throw some of this dry rub on top. Flip it over. Now I'll just throw these under the grill quickly, 5 minutes each side.